Protecting your workplace. It's sometimes difficult for building managers to deal with all the variety of different challenges of protecting the workplace, all the different types of insurances, the policies and procedures. Not only that, you're responsible for all the contractors that come and work in your environment. So with that in mind, sometimes a smaller cleaning operation can save you money until it doesn't. In today's day and age, there's so much that is important to have proper insurance, WSIB, and policies and procedures in order to protect people. In other words, you might be saving money in the front end, but when things go wrong, they go very wrong. One of the policies that I adopted very early in my business was my sleep at night policy. And that simply says that I don't do anything in my business operation that might creep up on me in years to come that will cause us to be wiped out or to have a significant impact in our business. So if you need a sleep at night policy, call QJS. We can be part of that solution that you know your place is properly being taken care of. You can rest easy knowing that QJS is on the job. QJS, cleaning with health in mind.